Good morning. Today we're going on an adventure and I'm bringing you along, so stick around. And the boss is coming too. So
we got a new toy.
Yeah.
Following us home.
Want to keep it, Mom? You got the first drive-in. So here we are, the new project. Beautiful car. It's a 66 Ford Mustang. Come on in, camera person. Thank you very much to my lovely wife who's helping me. But as you can see, it's a 50-plus-year-old car. But it's pretty solid, I think, for what it is. And so we'll be working on it here for a while. Come on around. As you can see, it's 66 Coupe base model. Got a under dash air conditioner, straight 6 automatic C4. Dash pad needs to be replaced. And you'll see, but there's a little bit of a rust hole over on the other side in the bottom, which will have to be taken care of, and we got to recover the seats. But the reason I got it relatively cheap, was the young man who had it had a slight accident, and the insurance wouldn't pay him enough to fix it. So here's what it looks like underneath. And what he rear-ended a truck, and that's all that's wrong with it. He was driving it up until the minute he couldn't drive it anymore, and it pushed everything back into the fan. So first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this stuff and try and get it pulled out enough so we can run it, so I can drive it around when I'm working on it. As you can tell, it's got a brand new fuel pump, it's got a brand new fuel tank in the back, and it is what it is. But the fenders and the inner aprons look good, as far as I can tell, until I start getting them. But I think it's going to need a cowl, which is the nemesis of all these things, because it seems to be bubbling down below. So, and it's got this lovely cowl protector on here. So you'll get to see me do that. Anyways, and as you can tell, it took a little bit of a hit. Not too bad, but there's a lot of rust in it, so I'm not going to do this so much a budget, other than I'm going to do most of the work myself. I'll probably get it painted by somebody else eventually, but every single panel in the whole thing needs attention due to rust, and it'll just be based on whether it's too bad to fix or not. So that's the plan with it. So hopefully you'll stick around and watch me work on this. I'm sure it'll bring hours of pure joy to me. So thanks again, everybody. Like, subscribe, share, and thank you for everything you've done.